Hey guys, it's Steven from Fricelli, and today we're going to make a cocktail, probably the most classic cocktail, the Old Fashioned. And we're going to make a spiced Old Fashioned using Spicekey Spiced Irish Whiskey. Let's go ahead and make it. For our first step, we're going to add some simple syrup. Now you can just throw a sugar cube in there, dash on some bitters, maybe add a little bit of soda, muddle it, make your own simple syrup, use pre-bottled simple syrup like this. We're actually going to do none of those things because we sprung for these high-end Luxardo cherries, and there's juice in here that's really sugary, so we're going to use that as our simple syrup. And so I'm going to open these up, just add like a small spoonful of that there. There's our syrup. I'm going to add a few dashes of orange bitters. Give that a quick stir. Sorry, I don't have a proper bar spoon here. Ice, you could totally use ice cubes, but using a sphere or cube of ice will keep the drink colder longer and it won't water down as long, and you can also reuse the ice cubes when you make a next drink. Now for the important stuff, we're going to add whiskey. We're going to try some of the spiced whiskey from Spicekey. It's a new whiskey, so we're giving it a whirl here. Dump that whole bottle in there. There we go. Give it a quick stir. Now, if you had a proper bar spoon, this would be a little bit cooler looking, but we try to make recipes and stuff that people could easily make at home without buying additional equipment or tools. Got a nice piece of orange peel here. We're going to sprinkle in the zest, or squeeze in the zest rather. See bartenders do this fancy stuff. I don't know if that's necessary, but we'll do it anyway because this is a TV show. And for the final touch, our fancy Luxardo Cherry. And there we have a beautiful old-fashioned or spiced old-fashioned using. Alright, here's the final test. Here we go. Very nice. Very, very nice. The spice along with the sweet is a really nice combination. I like very simple cocktails, so old-fashioned is one of my favorite. I think Spicekey works really well with that. I'm going to save the cherry for last, but I can already taste those juices. It is worth the premium for those cherries. It's like $20 a bottle though. I know it's a tough pill to swallow, but they're really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do encourage you to make this at home. Of course, drink responsibly. And until next time, see you soon.